So here the problem is get minimum element from stack in the order of one complexity, time complexity. So here is the given stack, and we actually in stack we will do operations like push, pop, and all these things. And here we need to get minimum. So we need to keep track of operations and minimum minimum. So here suppose this is the stack. So here first we entered 7, so the minimum is 7 now. First there are no elements in stack other than 7, so minimum is 7. Then we'll update 8, and so 8 is greater than 7, so the minimum is still 7. Then we update 5, so 5 is less than 7, so minimum will become 5 now. Okay. And again we insert 9, and the minimum is 5, still minimum is 5. Then we pop out the elements. So if we remove this 9, so now the minimum is 5. If we remove 9, 5 is the minimum, is okay. And if we remove 5, only 2 elements are there, but minimum is 5 again, but there is no 5 here, so this approach is wrong. So we need to do another another stack. We need to establish another stack to solve this. So this is the given stack, and this is the min stack. We need to keep record the minimum element. So this is min stack, and this is normal stack. So now what we have to do, first we insert the value 7 here, and in the minimum min stack also 7, because there are no elements is present in the stack. Only one element is present in the stack, and that is the minimum element. Okay. Then after that we update this 8. So 7 is greater than 7 is less than 8, so minimum is still 7, so we will not update 8 here. So next 5, so 5 is less than 7, so minimum is 5 now. Okay. Always the topmost element is the minimum. Okay. Then after 5 we insert 9 is greater than 5, so we will not push into the min stack. So after that 5 again, so again 5, then we need to write minimum here again. And again 2 is less than 5, so minimum is 2. Now the minimum is 2, the topmost element is 2 here, so the minimum is 2. And that first approach is not worked, because when we pop out the elements, if we pop out the elements, if the element on the top of the stack and min stack are same, then remove that element from both stacks. Okay. The 2 is here 2, top of stack is 2, and here is also top of stack is 2, so remove this 2. So in these stack the minimum is 5 now, it's true. Okay. So if we pop out the 5, then now it is also 5, we need to pop out this also. So the minimum is again 5, so 5 is here. So we need to because we need to write duplicates also. Here I will tell you the answer. So we will remove 5, then we have to remove 5, those are same, so we need to remove 5. Still the 5 is here, so minimum is 5 here. If we track only once, then it will come to the 7, and it will come minimum as 7, but that is wrong, right? So we need to keep tracking of duplicates also. And here again the top element we need to pop out. After that still minimum is 5. Then after we popping the 5, this 5 in this 5 is same, we need to pop out this also. And in this 8 and 7 is minimum. So like this we need to we'll get minimum element in every stage of the stack. The time complexity for this is order of 1, constant.